How can you scale your application from 0 to million concurrent users, and scaling to multiple cities, countries, and ensuring a high availability of 99.99%? Scaling to multiple cities, countries, and ensuring a high availability of 99.99% requires a combination of architectural, infrastructure, and operational strategies. Here's an approach to achieve this goal. Rule number 1. Distributed architecture. Implement a microservices architecture that allows you to scale different components independently based on demand. Each microservice can handle specific functionalities such as booking, payment, notification, and more. Rule number 2. Load balancing. Use load balancers to distribute incoming traffic evenly across multiple instances of each microservice. This prevents any single component from becoming a bottleneck and ensures better resource utilization. Rule number 3. Cloud infrastructure. Leverage cloud services like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, or Microsoft Azure to dynamically scale your application based on traffic patterns. Cloud platforms provide auto-scaling capabilities to add or remove resources as needed. Rule number 4. Data replication and sharding. Implement database replication and sharding to distribute the load and ensure data availability. Replicate databases across multiple regions to provide disaster recovery and high availability in case of a region-wide outage. Rule number 5. Content delivery networks, CDNs. Utilize CDNs to cache and deliver static content like images, style sheets, and scripts to users from servers located in different geographic regions. This reduces latency and improves content delivery. Rule number 6. Caching. Implement caching mechanisms to store frequently accessed data in memory. This reduces the load on databases and improves response times. Rule number 7. Redundancy and failover. Set up redundant components and failover mechanisms to ensure that if one component fails, traffic can be seamlessly redirected to a backup component. Rule number 8. Monitoring and alerting. Implement robust monitoring and alerting systems to detect and respond to issues quickly. Use tools like Prometheus, Grafana, and Application Performance Monitoring, APM, solutions. Rule number 9. High availability database solutions. Consider using managed database solutions that provide high availability features like automatic failover, data replication, and backups. Rule number 10. Disaster recovery plan. Develop a comprehensive disaster recovery plan that includes regular backups, data restoration procedures, and testing of disaster recovery scenarios. Rule number 11. Continuous deployment and DevOps. Adopt continuous deployment practices and DevOps principles to automate deployment, monitoring, and scaling processes. Rule number 12. Load testing. Regularly perform load testing to simulate high-traffic scenarios and identify potential bottlenecks. This helps you proactively scale resources as needed. Rule number 13. Global content delivery. Utilize a content delivery network, CDN, with points of presence, POPs, in various countries to ensure fast content delivery worldwide. Rule number 14. Security measures. Implement robust security measures to protect against cyber threats, data breaches, and unauthorized access. Utilize encryption, secure APIs, and regular security audits. Rule number 15. Geographical redundancy. Deploy your application and databases in multiple geographical regions to ensure redundancy and failover capabilities in case of regional outages. Rule number 16. SLA and support. Define and maintain a strong service level agreement, SLA, with your hosting provider or cloud platform. Ensure you have appropriate support channels to address any issues promptly. Rule number 17. Continuous improvement. Regularly review and optimize your architecture, infrastructure, and processes to ensure that your system can handle growing traffic and maintain high availability. By combining these strategies, you can create a robust and scalable platform that provides high availability and can effectively handle traffic from multiple cities and countries while meeting the 99.99% uptime target.